Ever wondered why some businesses thrive while others struggle? One answer lies in the marketing mix. The marketing mix, a cornerstone of business strategy, encompasses four key elements: product, price, place, and promotion. Think of it as a recipe. Just as a chef combines ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece, a business blends these elements to achieve commercial success. The product is what you're offering to the customer, be it a good or a service. Price is what the customer pays for it. Place is where your product is available, and promotion is how you communicate its value to the customer. A well-optimized marketing mix can propel a business to the forefront of its industry. It's about striking the right balance, aligning each part of the mix with your business goals and your target market's needs. Now let's delve into some real-world examples from different industries. Consider the tech industry, where the marketing mix plays a crucial role. In this fast-paced, ever-evolving sector, the 4 P's of marketing, product, price, place, and promotion, are manipulated in unique and innovative ways to gain a competitive edge. Let's begin with the product. Tech companies are known for their relentless pursuit of innovation. They must continuously evolve and improve their offerings to meet the demands of a tech-savvy consumer base. Think of how companies like Apple, with their regular product updates, keep us on the edge of our seats, curious and excited for what's next. Next is the price. Competitive pricing is key in the tech industry. Companies often employ strategies like penetration pricing, where they introduce a new product at a low price to gain market share, or skimming, where they start with a high price and gradually reduce it. Then we have place. In the digital age, strategic placement is about more than just physical location. It's about being where the consumers are, online. Tech companies leverage digital platforms to reach their target audience and deliver their products efficiently and conveniently. Lastly, promotion. Effective promotion in the tech industry is about engaging storytelling. It's about showcasing the benefits of a product in a way that resonates with the consumer. It's about creating a buzz around product launches and maintaining consumer interest. As we can see, the tech industry provides a clear example of the importance of a well-optimized marketing mix. Now switch gears to the food and beverage industry, another sector where the marketing mix is paramount. In this industry, the product is obviously of utmost importance. Our palate is discerning, and taste, texture, and aroma can make or break a product. But it's not just about the food or drink itself. Packaging plays a critical role too, creating shelf appeal and communicating brand values. Pricing strategies in this sector are as diverse as the products on offer. Some companies lean into the luxury market, pricing their products high to create an aura of exclusivity and premium quality. Others price competitively, aiming to win over the budget-conscious consumer. Next, we have place, or rather, distribution channels. This can range from supermarket shelves to online stores, from local farmers markets to high-end delicatessens. The choice of distribution channel directly influences how a product is perceived and who ends up buying it. Lastly, promotional campaigns. Food and beverage companies are renowned for their creative and often mouth-watering advertising. Think about those irresistible fast food commercials or the sophisticated marketing of a fine wine. Companies in this sector understand that a well-executed promotional campaign can whet the appetite of consumers and drive sales. Successful food and beverage companies like Coca-Cola, Nestlé, and Kraft Heinz have all optimized their marketing mix to great effect, each finding their unique blend of product, price, place, and promotion to thrive in the marketplace. Clearly, the food and beverage industry also underscores the significance of an effective marketing mix. Lastly, let's examine the fashion industry, which offers yet another perspective on the marketing mix. In the world of fashion, the marketing mix takes on a unique and glamorous form. As we delve into this industry, the 4 P's, product, price, place, and promotion, dance together in a vibrant ballet of style and strategy. Consider the product. In fashion, it's not just about function, it's a work of art, a statement of identity. Design is paramount, and fashion brands invest heavily in creating pieces that resonate with their customers' lifestyle and values. Then there's the price. High-end brands often employ a premium pricing strategy, positioning their products as luxury items. This not only boosts their profit margins, but also enhances the perceived value of their offerings. Place or distribution is another key element. Location is everything. Brands select store locations that align with their image and customer base, often choosing high-end shopping districts or trendy neighborhoods. Finally, promotion in the fashion industry is a spectacle in itself. From extravagant fashion shows to targeted social media campaigns, brands pull out all the stops to generate buzz and engage their audience. Brands like Gucci and Chanel have mastered this, using their marketing mix to build a world around their products that consumers aspire to be a part of. These elements, when expertly blended, form a compelling marketing mix that can propel a fashion brand to international fame and success. The fashion industry, too, demonstrates the power of a well-optimized marketing mix. So, what have we learned from these case studies? From our deep dive into the varied landscapes of the tech, food and beverage and fashion industries, we've seen that the marketing mix is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a versatile tool, a blend of elements that can be tweaked and tailored to suit the needs of any business, in any industry. The tech industry, with its rapid pace of innovation, focuses on product development and promotion strategies. They're constantly pushing the envelope, offering new and improved solutions, and making sure everybody knows about it. On the flip side, the food and beverage industry places a significant emphasis on place and price. They're all about getting their products into the right hands at the right time and at the right price. It's a delicate balance between accessibility and profitability. Meanwhile, the fashion industry is a master of the promotion game. They create desire, they set trends, they make us want things we didn't even know we needed. But of course, they also need to ensure their products are high quality and priced appropriately. In each case, the marketing mix is a crucial component of the overall business strategy. It's about finding that perfect balance, the right product at the right price in the right place, promoted in just the right way. In conclusion, optimizing the marketing mix is not just a strategy, it's a game changer for businesses across industries. Remember, the right mix can make all the difference.